Galing ka ba sa BPO or currently working sa BPO and you're kind of considering if pwede ka nga bang mag-transition full-time or part-time as a virtual assistant who works from home? Tinatanong kasi dito ni Vinny, sabi niya, bago daw ako maging freelancer, saang industry po ako kayo nag-work? I'm currently in BPO and plan ko din mag-switch. I actually came from the BPO industry as well. So, is it possible? Yes. Now, the question is, paano kung wala kang BPO experience? Una mo munang i-identify is, ikaw ba ay yung kaibigan na parang tinatawagan ng lahat when they need help? What if I told you that you could get paid to do exactly just that, even without leaving your house? Hey, my name is Mary, and I have been working from home for 16 years now. Today, for VA Life, this 2025 Part 2, I want to talk about one of the easiest but also the hardest ways to start working from home. Becoming a customer service representative. Now, guys, even sa BPO, you don't need a fancy degree. You don't need years of experience. If you can talk to people and you love helping, you already have what it takes. So, as a customer service rep, you're a friendly voice for companies. You answer questions, help fix small problems, and make sure that the customers feel taken care of. And the best part, a lot of clients and companies will train you. Kasi kagaya rin sa BPO, magkakaroon kayo ng products training. So you don't have to have it all figured out alone. However, may mga skills pa rin tayo na kailangan and what companies or clients are usually looking for. Number one is clear speaking skills. Can you talk to people clearly and politely? You don't need to have like that perfect radio voice. You just have to sound friendly and easy to understand. Also, kailangan dito mahaba ang pasensya, patience and empathy. Sometimes customers get frustrated. So if you're good at staying calm and making people feel heard, you'll be amazing at this. Siyempre, kailangan meron kang basic administrative skills. You might need to like type quick notes or reply to simple emails. So if you can type basic sentences, you're good. And we also have AI now. So mas madali na. Now, a lot of people would think, ayoko na nga mag-calls. Bakit, why should I consider this position? Well, again, number one, if galing ka na sa BPO, eto yung pinakamalaking transferable skills na meron ka. You can work from your living room, no traffic, no dress code. It's steady work. Many companies always need help. You build great skills like communication and problem solving, perfect for growing your career later. Now, I'll be honest with you. When I first heard about customer service jobs from home, I was kind of nervous. I thought, what if I mess up? 'Di ba? But after a little training and a few calls, I realized it's just talking to people, being kind, and helping where I can. And you know what? I felt good at the end of the day. Knowing I made someone's day a little easier, knowing that I was able to help someone out. Plus, working in my pajama pants didn't hurt either. So, di ba? Malaking benefits na yon. Now, if you love talking to people and you're ready to start your work from home journey, becoming a customer service representative might be your first step. I'll record another video after this where I can show you where to find beginner friendly customer service jobs online. So stay tuned. And again, I highly recommend kung magsisimula ka na sa iyong VA journey, go ahead and do so now. Do not wait for tomorrow. Take action na. Document your journey, tag me, and use our hashtag for the year. VA Life this 2025. I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye!